In today's tutorial, I'm going to cover another important basics in Google Sheets. So each cell has a name. As I told you before earlier, each cell is formed by intersection of column and the row. Since each cell has a unique column and unique row intersection, we can define their names by those column and row names. For instance, this cell is called C4 because it's intersection of C column and row 4. Or this one, for instance, is called F7 because it is intersection of column F and row 7. And another thing to know, let's say you have a content in each cell. Let's write my name. So every time you select that cell, the content is being reflected in here. All right, it's going to help you to edit the content of yourself. When we have extremely large amount of content in one cell, it's easier to edit or change them through this bar. So we're going to do it on upcoming videos. Thank you very much.